Hey y'all, this is Nick again with Orlando Mini, and the handsome man behind the camera is
Alden.
Ooh, nice to meet you, sir.
You as well.
Oh yeah. So today we're going to talk about what, Alden?
We're going to talk about playing with paddles.
Oh, you were playing with these kind of paddles? You know I love playing with paddles.
Sorry, I wish I was.
Oh man, what kind of paddles?
Paddle shifters.
Ooh, you mean these flappy paddles on the steering wheel?
Yeah.
Oh man, you know I love these things. Well, I guess before we start talking about the paddle shifts, I should put down my delicious complimentary Fields ice cream that you can get in our lounge.
Can you give me some?
No. You can have some of mine now.
Okay.
Cool. So, one of the most common questions when people get inside the car, when they feel this beautiful wheel, is, what are these little flappy things? I say, the paddle shifters, so you can shift the car manually. And they go, but it's an automatic. I said, but you can shift it manually. They go, oh, that's kind of cool. Then I say, let me show you. So the first thing that you do is you take this shifter here, boom, kick it into drive. Then what you do is you kick it over to the left, and what you want to do is give it an upshift or downshift. So the cool thing with the system is you don't have to worry about nothing. You're not going to blow the motor. If you forget to downshift, the car will do it for you. So don't even worry. So now, on the wheel, there's a screen that says M1. I know I got my sport mode going. I got my dynamic traction control, which we talked about in the previous video. Please go watch that. Thank you. So, we're going to head off. You ready?
Oh, always.
Okay. So our first gear. Step on it. Shift. So of course we're coming to a corner right here. I'm gonna brake a little bit, maybe downshift in the second gear. I'm looking around, nobody there. I'm maintaining throttle. I'm looking because you gotta be safe all the time. Accelerate, shift. Alright, shift. I'm gonna hit my brakes hard. Downshift, second gear. Slow again. Boom, all the way up. Shift. Here we go. Shift. Brake again. Now if I want to shift from down to here, downshift. No first gear. Downshift. Woo! Man, that was nice. That was intense.
Very intense.
I like it. I'm surprised you didn't yell back there, man. That's really good. I'm gonna swing it back around, and I just want to say, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you've seen, then you should subscribe. What should they do, Alden?
They gotta like us. They gotta share it.
Yes.
And then they gotta find out where to get a nut dispenser.
Oh, where'd they get that from?
I have no idea.
Ask Santa. You better be good.
I'll try.
Ding dong bell. Don't forget. Have a great day.
Bye.
Ciao.